Hamjambo, jina langu ni Abdulkarim. Karibuni katika darasa la Kiswahili. Katika darasa hili tutajifunza vinyume vya vitenzi. Vinyume vya vitenzi. These are opposites of verbs, opposite of Swahili verbs. So the opposite of Swahili verbs, we have two forms. The first form is this form. We say hali ya kutendua. Hali ya kutendua. This is like the reversive form of Swahili verbs. Reversive form. So, or the derivative form of Swahili verb. To do something and to undo something. Okay? The other form is just taking a direct word that means the opposite of the word that we've stated. For instance, you can say lala is to sleep, amka is to wake up. So these words are not related, but they mean the opposite thing. But for the first form, I say, like the first form of derivative form is like funga, fungua. You see, the words are somehow related. But the other form, just direct word, they're not related. So the first form, we'll start with the first form, hali ya kutendua. This is the reversive form or the derivative form of Swahili verb. So we start here. This is a rule that guides you on how to apply, how to make its opposite. The first rule here is if the root word or the root of the verb has any of this letter, A, E, U. If it has any of this letter, then we will add this letter U, the vowel U, between the last vowel. So if the verb is funga, we will add the U between here, this and this. So we add here U. Okay? So it becomes fungua. This is if the root has A, E, U, any of this. So for this case, funga, the root for this verb is fung. You see, this is the root for this verb. So it has this U already. So we just have to put U here. Become fungua. Funga, fungua. Nambari ya pili, fumba, fumbua. Fumba, fumbua. Close, open. So this funga is normal. We understand this funga, close something, open. But this fumbua, the use of this fumbua is normally, it's limited to some things only. Like you can say, when I do this, nimefumba mkono, fumbua. Fumba, so this part is kiganja. I can say fumba kiganja, fumbua. Also when you close the eyes, we say fumba macho, fumbua macho. Sawa? Fumba, fumbua. We have a Swahili proverb that say, not proverb, just a Swahili phrase that say kufumba na kufumbua. Kufumba na kufumbua means within a short period of time. Like in a blink of an eye. We say kufumba na kufumbua. Tatu, panga, pangua. Panga, pangua. Arrange, disarrange. Nne, ficha, fichua. Ficha, fichua. Hide and unhide, or to reveal something. Sawa? Tano, tega, tegua. Tega is like to set a trap. Tegua tegua is to let something go or to untrap something. Okay? Tega, tegua. Zika, zikua. Zika is to bury something. Zikua is to dig out something. Buried down. Tenda, tendua. Tenda is to act or to do something. Tendua is to undo. To undo. Same as here. Fanya, do. Fanyua, to undo. Fuma, fumua. Fuma, to weave. Like when you are weaving like a cloth, sweater, you know. To unweave, you remove the threads. Kunja, kunjua. Kunja, to fold. Kunjua, to unfold. We have this for this part here. Or when the verb, the root of the verb has O, we add O between the last vowel here. Okay? So example here, choma, chomoa. Choma, chomoa. If choma here is like to poke in, right? Like maybe you are hunting, you do this. Choma, mshale. Then when you remove that arrow, you say chomoa. Chomoa, okay? Choma, chomoa. Kosa is to make a mistake. Kosa. Kosoa is to correct. Kosoa, to correct a mistake. So, kosoa. Shona, to sew a cloth. Shonoa, to undo sewing. This is to sew. Shonoa, to undo sewing. Now, we will have examples in sentences and both positive and negative, not positive, but the sentences and their opposite. Sasa tuna mifano katika sentensi. Mifano katika sentensi. Moja, mtoto alifunga mlango. Mtoto alifunga mlango. The child closed the door. The opposite, au kinyume itakuwa hivi, mtoto alifungua mlango. Mtoto alifungua mlango. Alifunga itakuwa alifungua. Nambari ya pili, mama alikunja nguo zetu. Mama alikunja nguo zetu. Sawa? Kinyume itakuwa mama alikunjua nguo zetu. Mama alikunjua nguo zetu. Sawa? Tutaangalia mfano wa tatu. Nambari ya tatu, fundi cherehani alishona nguo. Fundi cherehani alishona nguo. Fundi cherehani here is a tailor. Fundi cherehani, tailor. You can just say fundi. So depending on the context, just say fundi or fundi cherehani. But fundi is a general term for people who do repair, people who construct. Okay, fundi. Okay. The tailor see the clothes. Fundi cherehani alishonoa nguo. Fundi cherehani alishonoa. Ameonekana? Kijana ni nini? Nambari ya tatu hapa. Fundi cherehani alishona nguo. Fundi cherehani alishona nguo. Fundi cherehani here is a tailor. Okay? Cherehani is the tailoring machine, the sewing machine. Kinyume chake itakuwa fundi cherehani alishonoa nguo. Yeah, here do the sewing. 4. Mwindaji alichoma mkuki kwa swara. Mwindaji alichoma mkuki kwa swara. Kinyume chake itakuwa nini? Mwindaji alichomoa mkuki kwa swara. Lakini unaweza kusema hili pia, mwindaji alimchoma swara kwa mkuki. Mwindaji alimchoma swara kwa mkuki. Mwindaji alimchomoa swara mkuki. Now, I will read the sentences here. You try to negate in the comment section. And part 2 of the video I'll upload where we have the negative of just direct words, not hali ya kutendua. So now it's exercise. You write the answer in the comment section. zoezi. Andika sentensi zifuatazo kwa kinyume. Yaani tuandika vinyume vya sentensi zifuatazo. Sawa? Moja, yaya alipanga nyumba jana. Yaya alipanga nyumba jana. Pili, mwanafunzi alikosa. Tatu, mwizi alificha pesa. 4, mchimba migodi alizika dhahabu hapa. So mchimba migodi is a miner. There's someone who do mining. Okay, mchimba migodi. So just write your answer in the comment section and I'll check and ensure I have corrected them. Sawa? Basi kwa heri, tutakutana katika darasa lingine where we'll be talking about the other forms of opposite of Swahili verbs. Sawa? Kwa heri.